This is an Apple AirTag, and it is extremely useful when traveling because let's be real, when you're traveling you don't want to lose a lot of things. There's a lot of anxiety. That's why in this video I'm going to be telling you a bunch of tips and tricks when traveling, how I use it while I bring you along on my trip to Vietnam. So let me bring you along. Alright, here's the tip that I'm going to give you. Put an AirTag inside of the bag that you're actually checking in. We're currently checking in. So let's go ahead and open it and put the AirTag inside. And here's the thing, like when you're traveling, especially on international flights, you never know where this bag will go. So just for safety, I mean, when you land, you will already know where it is just in case. Alright, what's one thing that you need when traveling apart from your wrist cam and your Apple Watch? Well, your passport, right? I mean, you can't literally travel without your passport. Here's an awesome tip that I've discovered recently. Get a passport holder like this. You can put an AirTag inside of your passport so you'll never lose your passport again. Okay, recording now. Okay, we're going. We're going to Vietnam.
I should be playing it cool, but that ain't me.
Okay, we've arrived at Vietnam. It's pretty cool with the Find My app that you can literally see if your luggage has actually arrived or if it's still at the airport.
Can that be? No, I think you're lying. All the attention I'm giving you.
And we are about to spend a couple days on a cruise. Okay, we're about to go kayaking right now, but before we do that, I wanted to tell you about my backpack because yes, as you might have seen, I've got an AirTag in my backpack. Now this is possible because I've got the AirTag loop, which is a loop that basically Apple sells that you can put your AirTag on your backpack, on your luggage bag. It's really whatever you want, but I've always got an AirTag in my backpack. I mean, if I lose this thing, if I lose my backpack, I literally lose my life. Hey, we've got a tiny market over there. We got some chips. Alright, before I keep telling you more about the AirTags and the Find My network, look what we're doing right now. Small little adventure on this tiny boat in this beautiful paradise. It's raining. It's going to throw. Okay, we're like halfway there. It started pouring like crazy. I wanted to tell you a little bit more about the AirTag and specifically the way that you should treat the AirTag, meaning should you put your AirTag outside of your backpack or inside of the backpack? I get that question a lot, and it honestly depends on where you're from. Depends on the culture that you're from. If you're in a country, if you live in a culture that if somebody finds a backpack with a GPS location on and you think that your culture will probably be like, yeah, okay, I'm gonna call this person and help them, go ahead, sure, put it outside. But if you live in a culture, if you live in a country, if you live in a city that you don't really trust the people, my opinion is put the AirTag inside of the backpack, inside of the wallet, whatever it is, hidden. Like this, you can track those people down. That's my tip. All right, let's keep on going because it's raining like crazy. I want to keep going. All right, that's the dragon that we want to go to. Okay, we made it to the dragon. Look at the views.
The next day.
Okay, so here's probably my favorite thing about the AirTags. I mean, tile tracking like devices like the AirTags have been out for quite some time. So what makes AirTags different? It's all about the Find My network. Let's say I leave this backpack right here in this restaurant. Well, if an iPhone user that I have no idea, a total stranger, passes by through my AirTag, it will actually update the location of my AirTag to help me find my backpack. Apple does this automatically, and that's what makes the AirTag simply great. All right, currently drinking a coconut right now, and look what we're doing right now. We're going on a coconut boat. That's what they do here in Vietnam. Coconut everything. Are you ready for some very hot weather? Hello, it's DJ Coconut in the house. Let's go.
Đi dọc Việt Nam theo bánh con tàu quay qua đèo Hải Vân lấy
Thank you. That's the Apple fan right there. So we're currently at the market and talking about the Find My network. Did you know that the AirTags are not only the accessory for the Find My network? This is a Chipolo Find My wallet, and it's awesome because it's actually certified by Apple. It just sits right onto my Find My app, just like an AirTag. It doesn't have all the AirTag features. It does not have precision finding, which we're gonna look into that in just a second, but it serves just the function as the AirTag, and my favorite part is that it just fits in my wallet, thing that my AirTag doesn't do. Anyways, we're at the market.
The next day.
I wanted to show you precision finding because it's awesome. Let's say I don't find my backpack. I'm at the pool and I leave my backpack somewhere and I don't know where it is. I can simply tap find nearby, and as you guys can see, it will actually guide me through the actual backpack. And I can actually play a sound if I don't find it. Okay, and there you go. It's guiding me right through the backpack, which is exactly right here.
Smell?
You guys know what that is? That's actually a durian. And in here, in Vietnam and Thailand, it's literally illegal to put it on an airplane, to bring it on a hotel. Like, it smells very strong. We just smelled it. It's not...
No, it's like pineapple.
Yeah, I mean, I'd say it's a little bit stronger than pineapple, but I don't understand how big of a deal durians actually are. 𝗦tože just showed me a TikTok, which is honestly an awesome ultimate travel AirTag trick. Did you know? I mean, just watch this. I mean, just put an AirTag on your little brother, on your little cousin when you're traveling. I mean, especially in a market like this, for example, that your brother could easily get lost. Just put it in a backpack or even on a pocket with somebody. So look at this, guys. We're currently in Hoi An, which is basically known for, because at night, everything turns lanterns. Like, there's lanterns everywhere, and there's a river, and there's river lantern boats, and people go ahead and grab some lanterns and actually leave them at the river. It's so beautiful, it's so colorful, it's so... Okay, so I wanted to end the video on a more serious note. I don't know if you guys know, but 𝗬𝗲𝗶𝗶𝗹 reviews on YouTube, which is a channel that I watch constantly. 𝗬𝗲𝗱𝗶𝗹, her wife recently passed away, and it left me devastated. Extremely sad news. So Jeff, I just wanted to say they're here for you, and that 𝗬𝗲𝗱𝗶𝗹, this one's for you. Stay strong, man.